Now, I know some of you are Q-tip warriors, bravely digging in to clear out the wax. But here's the thing, most of the time, earwax is self-cleaning. It slowly makes its way out of the ear on its own. So when you go after it with a Q-tip, you're more likely to push it further in, which can cause blockages or even damage the delicate skin inside your ear canal. It's like trying to help the bouncer by letting in the wrong crowd. Just leave it to the professionals. But what happens when earwax overstays its welcome? Sometimes too much wax can build up and cause blockages, leading to symptoms like an earache, hearing loss, ringing in the ears, or even dizziness. This is called cerumen impaction, and while it sounds serious, it's usually easy to treat. Your audiologist or doctor can remove the excess earwax safely using special tools or eardrops designed to soften the wax. So if you're feeling a bit blocked up, don't take matters into your own hands. Schedule an appointment and let the pros handle it.